In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a custom screener in Simply Safe Dividends. If you research dividend stocks regularly, saving a custom screener can save you a lot of time. It lets you preserve the exact set of filters you like, so you can pull them up again with a single click instead of rebuilding them from scratch. Once you're on the screener page, start by setting up your preferred filters. Think about what matters most to you. For dividend-focused investors, that might include dividend yield, payout ratio, dividend growth history, recent dividend increases, the platform's safety score, or fundamentals like market cap and sector. Use the filter controls to narrow to your comfort zone, adjust sliders for ranges, type exact values if available, and combine multiple criteria to hone in on the kind of companies you want. As you add filters, pay attention to how the results update. If the list gets too small, relax one or two filters, and if it's too broad, tighten them slightly. The goal is a balanced result set you can actually review. When you're happy with your filters and the results look right, it's time to lock it in. Look for the Save Screen option on the page and click it. This will open a small prompt asking you to name your screen. Pick a clear descriptive name that will make sense later at a glance. For example, you might include the key criteria in the title, such as high safety 3% plus yield or dividend growth 10-year streak. If you follow multiple strategies, you could add a short tag like income or growth to keep things organized. Avoid special characters that might not be supported and skip including any personal or sensitive details. Keep it simple and recognizable. After you've entered the name, click Save to finalize it. That's it. Your custom screener is now stored and ready to use whenever you come back. The next time you want to run the same search, you won't need to rebuild anything. Your saved screen will preserve all those filter choices exactly as you set them. This makes it easy to check the market for new matches, keep your process consistent, and compare results over time as data updates. To recap, the key is to craft filters that reflect your strategy, save them with a clear name, and rely on that saved screen to streamline your research workflow. With a well-named, thoughtfully built screener, you'll spend less time setting up and more time evaluating quality dividend opportunities.